In this video, I'm gonna show you how to verify your email on Planet Fitness app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you need to open your Planet Fitness app. After you open the Planet Fitness app, you'll be able to see the Planet Fitness app home screen right here. So, if you try to find for an answer right here in the official app of Planet Fitness, you'll be able to see that they are not giving an option to verify your email on Planet Fitness app. But if you go right here and open your Google Chrome in a favorite browser, you'll be able to see the Google page right here. You can locate the search bar and search for verify your email on Planet Fitness app. And as you can see, you'll be able to check this first link right here. You'll be able to see all the results of your search. You can click in this first link now. So, when you click there, you'll be able to check some information about Planet Fitness email verification. If you swipe your screen to the bottom, you'll be able to see this topic right here, how Planet Fitness email verification works. So, you need to make your registration first. So, when you join Planet Fitness, you provide your email address as part of the registration process. Now, shortly after registration, you receive an email from Planet Fitness with the verification link or code. After doing that, you can click in the link to enter the code provided in the email to confirm your email address. So, you need to verify your email box when you make the registration in the Planet Fitness app. Until the moment I'm recording this video, that's the only way to do that. That's how it works. I hope I helped you in how to verify your email on Planet Fitness app. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.